No one dare to challenge him. That is the Please, Daddy, go challenge him. No one dare now.
So where'd you run there? Virtual legit.
Hi guys.
Alright guys, late in the night.
Hi guys, welcome back to another video.
We're late, we're tired, just trying to go to bed right now. Been a long day. And we forgot to pack our toothbrush and toothpaste. This hotel don't have it. Yeah, so apparently we gotta purchase it at the gift shop. But
Pegasus rules, guys. It's okay.
we tired. We're just trying to go sleep. Hopefully the room is good. Alright. Catch you upstairs, alright? Good morning guys. I don't want to be on camera.
Hi guys.
There's our hand.
My hair is a mess.
So we're at the Pegasus, one of Jamaica's nice hotels in New Kingston, and yeah, you know, we're there staying with families in Kingston, and then I was like, you know, let's go by the Pegasus. We wanna be fancy today. So we just spent the night, and it was nice. It's beautiful. You don't know, Jamaica's paradise, man, and we have a nice view right here at the balcony. We can see the harbor. We saw all of downtown Kingston, what you call now, the Bay Area, Kingston Harbor, and you know, New Kingston is like in the central, is a very centralized location. So it's very beautiful, guys. Beautiful. I keep on saying it's beautiful. There's no other word to explain it. Let me show you our view. Nice. See? It's that view right there. Pegasus. Yeah. Beautiful. So today we're planning to, I don't know, we're gonna reach somewhere. I have two things in mind. Either we go to what you call that place there? Appleton Estate, and go look around, and because I hear it's very beautiful. It's a fun trip. So either I go to Appleton Estate or I go to the Duns River Fall. Or some water. We're gonna end up somewhere, guys. Trust me. This is Jamaica. Never a dull day in Jamaica. Alright, you already know what it is. Like, share, subscribe, all of them good things there. You know what I'm saying? Catching up on the road. Love you know. Darby fam, Jamaica, man. Beautiful. Doing it. Love you. So guys, we're heading to breakfast. Treat your right.
We go to breakfast.
Is it here?
Yes, it's there. Good morning. Sure am. Yes, ma'am. No problem. Is there a policy on that? Yes, there is. Where is it? We don't have it written. But
So in Jamaica, this happened.
Hi guys, we are at it again. We're still in Jamaica, guys, and we are now heading to Ocho Rios, guys. Hey, we're not heading to Beat Back again, Dijon.
Disappointing me back, right?
Wow.
So guys, today we're heading to Ocho Rios. We're gonna visit, we're trying to find a river. We're not sure yet what river we will find, but we want to swim. And we're gonna head down there. We're gonna stop on the road, show you guys. So we already stopped and buy curry goat and rice and pizza, all of that a while ago. But we're gonna still stop and show you guys what we can get on the road for how much money and what today's journey is gonna be and how much it's gonna cost us, right, Mark? Even vex because we laugh at 5 man in Beat Back.
Beat Back nice, alright? Beat Back was very nice. And it's a national treasure. It's a national Jamaican treasure, okay? Y'all just haters.
Nobody's a hater, Mario, nobody.
Y'all are haters.
Turn out the fence, the rain. Guys, so down here. Liquor Duns River. Guys, down here, Liquor Duns River. You see it? Not the big Duns River, it's a small one.
Hidden gem, guys.
Hidden gem.
That we find, we're not going to ask.
Hello, I'm not ready to have a shower. You can see me now. Okay.
You got to know when you discover this swim last night.
Hold on. One follow the cross the round this one, though.
You did at the end.
At the end. Now, guys, it's a hidden gem. So I'm saying, all the people don't know about that one, yeah. They know about the big Duns River Fall, but this is a little one, right? Anyway, you're going to Ochi, you can ask. People just come to Ochi town, ask the locals. You gotta ask the locals. Say, yo, I want to take me to the little Duns River. Yeah. Not the big one, the little one. Alright? Yeah. Check it out. Beautiful.
Look, we're gonna vlog.
Yeah. Okay, so guys, we are at the secret location.
Yeah.
Our very own Duns River.
Private beach.
Angel, get out the video. They're taking pictures. Auntie Munchi, what do you have to say to the vlog?
Well, nothing because I'm not going to the water, but the water look really good. You guys ready for it?
Water is really nice. Beautiful.
Let me go show them, right? Yes, sir.
Wow.
So Uncle Mario, y'all going in the water?
Of course, I'm going to water.
So why Auntie Munchi not going in the
I'm going so
water?
far for don't go in the water.
Auntie Munchi, yeah. We come too far for don't go in the water. Auntie Debbie. Auntie Debbie. Say cheers. Cheers. A video.
Alright, people. We'll catch you at Secret Falls.
Yeah. Yeah. Amen. Ah, it must stand up. The water is deep. Jay, hold on.
Mind Jay. Watch a fat boy there. Mind a drop.
Jay, be careful.
Come, Papa.
There's no snake in there. Let's go. Take a picture.
It's like a private beach, yo.
You see how you're tall, you see it's shallow. The people in the hear me say don't do it. They seem still not going to do it. We're not looking either. So, yeah, man, I want to do it. So, why me for reaching for you? Mario, also my man too. The vacation I go good.
Alright people, as me I tell about the special fall. This is what is good about this. The secret Duns River Fall. Watch this. It's Tristan. So in the water, you get a two different temperature. You get a little hot and you get a little cold. The heat from the sea and the coolness from the fall. Look at this, guys. Beautiful. Look at this. Oh! Jay, hey!
Be very careful because it's almost broken.
Hold your glasses. You gonna go?
Be careful, Daddy. Be careful.
Alright. Don't worry, I got it. Tristan there. Look at Tristan.
Daddy, listen what I'm telling you.
Woo.
Daddy,
Come on.
right here.
Yeah. Yeah. Guys, look at it. Look at it also. Beautiful. Beautiful. Water comes from all the way from up there. We got another side right there. People can walk. Exceptional, guys. Beautiful. Look at that. Jay, hey. It's cool, right? People, this is not Duns Raffle. You don't have to pay a penny to come right here. I'm take peace side. Them give me a run off. Right, people. This is going on. This is what the dancer life.
One time you have to go in there.
Water from the waterfall. Look at this. There.
Fresh water.
Daddy, you drink.
Better than pool and spring.
It's better than dumpster bar. The real dumpster bar is. Okay? Daddy, you're just drinking. Yeah, you tastes good, guys. It tastes real good.
It's fresh water.
Drink it. Drink it. This is wrong.
Water fresh. Water nice. Water beautiful. Wonderful.
Five.
Waterfall everywhere.
Take a photo of me.
Yeah, take a picture. My brother, they are way up there, so. Now do that. Now do that. No shaking this. Right, dude. It fall out already, right? People, one of the best part of this thing, look at this water right here. It's like little streams of water just coming out the rock.
It's a little crusty.
It's the fresh water for me. See, it just coming. Where is it coming from? It's just coming from underneath the rocks. It's the fresh water for me,
And
guys.
it's fresh. You can drink and not die.
Just a stream of water just coming out from underneath the rocks. Randomly. All over the place.
So guys, it was a successful event. You know, the party was a success. Everybody just a chill right now and enjoy the remainder the nights. You know, Maria eating fish, him roast fish and stuff. You know, it was a hit.
Never get to eat nothing, so you have to eat. I know a quarantine thing set and so I have to pack up early. But it was a kid's party, so it's supposed to finish early anyway. But it's good. Roast fish bad. Try some.
The kids over there playing Ludy, and Auntie Pinky over there feeding them as usual. Auntie Debbie
feeding our face as you
I
go.
eat a nice roast fish,
Yeah.
Maurice. You know, him just, you know, relax, you know, hard day at work. And you know, of course, Uncle Frost, him, just a relax, you know, a chill. Yeah, just take it easy. It was an eventful day, guys, and you know, that's all we do right now. We just a build, chill, and easy.
That's easy tea.
Alright, guys, so see you tomorrow.